Hey, so you have to tell me, do you like ice cream? Mm. So if you do like ice cream, tell me, what's your favorite flavor? Oh, so good. So I have a little something planned for us. I bet you've already guessed what it is, right? I was going to go to the store and buy my favorite kind of ice cream and put 2 scoops on a cone, but I couldn't get out to the store. So you're gonna have to take this little mini cone and figure out what it is. So how about if we do the bench pillow, 2 scoops, the Kimberbell bench pillow. I'm sure you've heard about it and seen the pictures of it. So we have a sponsor. My girlfriend's quilt shop wants to sponsor us to do this pillow. And it's actually going to ship sooner than I expected. I think they're expecting it in early March. So we got to get our supplies. So go to My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop and get the CD, the fabric kit, and the embellishment kit, and whatever else you need. And we'll go ahead and start this project after we do spring showers. So get your pre-orders in now. And so guess what? I have a coupon code for you. Cristin, the number 2 scoops. Cristin 2 scoops. CRISTIN 2, the number 2, SCOOPS. That's your coupon code for My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop to get a 10% off. The 10% off is good for your fabric kit and also your embellishment kit. And we'll go ahead and get started soon. But in the meantime, I want to know, what is your favorite flavor of ice cream? And as always, underneath this video, there's a direct link to the 2 scoops bench pillow on the My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop website. Make sure to put in your coupon code though. So, you know that moment when you're making an ice cream video, but you make mistakes, so you have to keep eating ice cream? Darn. Hey everyone, I'm getting a lot of questions of how to order and how to get the affiliate link and all the information that's in the video description. So what I'm learning is a lot of people don't understand underneath the video that there is all the links of everything. So I'm going to just show you real quick how to do that. So I am sharing my screen right now. I'm on Google. So if you were to type in YouTube, and then type in Cristin Creates up at the top. That's how you get to my site. And you can click on here. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. I think that the subscribe button usually pops up here. I'm not sure. Anyway, so click on one of the videos. And so for the Candy Cane Lane video, you can see right here. So here's the video. The video is playing right now. It's telling us what to do on how to make Candy Cane Lane. And then if you scroll down underneath the video, I'm on a computer, but I assume it's pretty similar on a phone. So you can see right here, it says Cristin Creates, and then there's some information. Join in the fun in our group project, blah, blah, blah. And then you click show more and look at all of this information is here. And it has what items are needed to order for the Candy Cane Lane project, and link on joining the Cristin Creates group, and a link on where to order. That one I'm getting asked a lot, and here's the link right there. And how to order from affiliate is right here. What items are needed to do the order or to do the project, how to organize your fabrics, what my favorite needles are. I get that asked a lot. And then what is coming up next, so what our next project is. So in every video that I do, if you just look in the video description, which is, like I said, right under this video, it's a different view for me since I'm the owner of it, but it will be very similar. So let's go out of it again and go back in. So you open up a video, and right there, right where it says Cristin Creates, there's the beginning of the wording that's under the video, and you click show more right here where it says show more. Okay, and you can see here that it has a link to our sponsor right here, and it goes directly to the items in our project. So a very easy clickable link. So as I said, you just go, let's see if we go back, go into any of the videos, and then scroll down under the video. So here's the video, and then we just scroll down, and it has my name or our group, and you come down to show more right here, show more, and then it's got all the links and all the information that you want to see. I hope this helps. And if you're on a mobile phone, the video description is right under the video. Next to the title of the video, I've drawn a circle around the drop arrow. Click that, and all the links and information you're looking for is right at your fingertips. I hope this helps.